What is going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel. Should I buy Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp on this current dip? And the ticker symbol is ZOM. And I think my answer to that question will surprise you, so make sure you watch until the end to find out exactly what I will be doing. But this has been the number one question I have received over the past week, and it's simply because I alerted all my elite Discord members last week on the 5th of January that I was buying this company, and at that time it was at 47 cents a share. And I also informed them that I'll be adding on any dips, especially if we saw a pullback to 37 cents a share. And I finished off by stating that this was a multi-month hold for me. Now, this was just 2 days before the insane 213% run-up that occurred. And needless to say, myself and all my elite Discord members who bought Zomedica Pharmaceuticals, we all did extremely well. Now, we have a Wall of Gains channel in my Discord group, and it's where all our elite members get to post their gains from positions that they have. And I invested just over 12k into this stock, and I made over £11,000 in profits in this company, which is fantastic. And I also made my elite members aware that I now have profits left in the stock, but since the post, my position went up another 200%, and I did lock in 50% of my profits. But like I said, it wasn't just myself eating. We had so many members make well over 1 to 200% gains. So shout out to our elite member Marco Milli with the 100% plus gains. Shout out to Mitch with the 121% gains. Shout out to Rai with 116% gains. There were so many posts on the Wall of Gains for this investment that we decided to create our own Generational Wealth Builders Twitter page, and we did like a collage of all of our gains from this stock. But we've been killing it so far in January because it wasn't only Zomedica. One of our moderators, Ali, alerted us to BioNano, ticker symbol BNGO, way before the YouTube hype started, and it was around 70 cents a share. And our elite members all made in excess of 2, 3, 400% profit, which is absolutely insane. And we also, of course, we did another collage of all of the Wall of Gains screenshots. You can see 277% here, 304% returns here. It's just absolutely insane. Now, I did say in my very first video of 2021 that this year, myself and my Discord members will experience exponential growth in 2021 in our investing portfolios. And we are just 2 weeks deep into 2021, and I can safely say it's been a great start so far. So we plan to keep this momentum going and continue to be very methodical with our picks. The mission is to produce 6 to 7 figure earners this year, and I will be among those 6 and 7 figure earners. So if you want to be a part of this mission, you need to become an elite member of my Discord group. You can sign up using the Patreon link in the description below. But I do want to set your expectations off the bat. Not every stock will be a high flyer like Zomedica or BioNano. In fact, we are currently in a position in DSGT, and at the moment, it's currently biding its time, but it is again another multi-month hold because of the catalysts up and coming. But if that's something you're interested in, then definitely jump on board. So with that said, don't forget to destroy the like button. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest video content. And with that said, let's dive into today's video. So, is it too late to buy Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp? And the simple answer to this question is, I don't think this stock is done quite yet. Now, like I mentioned, myself and my elite members have already sold out shares to the value of our initial investment, essentially pulling out all of our risk from this investment. Plus, once we hit 200% profit, which the majority of us did, we sold more shares to secure at least 50% of our profits. So that means we still have 50% of our profits still in play in this company because of certain upcoming catalysts that I will reveal to you shortly. So let's head over to my original buy thesis that I shared with my elite members. This will highlight all of the upcoming catalysts for this stock, and pretty much all of them are still in play. So I alerted, been doing some extra digging, and there seems to be a few positive catalysts for this stock. As discussed in the chat, They have appointed a newly reputable CEO, but additionally, the company have also announced March 31st, 2021 to be the commercial release date of their Trueformer device, which they claim to be highly sensitive for diagnosing thyroid and adrenal disease in dogs and cats. The size and portability of this device also gives it additional benefits to the vets. Another bonus, key insiders have been buying up shares recently as of the 30th of December 2020. Their products also has the potential to penetrate the in-house pet lab market, which currently isn't huge, but is a growing market. The stock has potential, but I suspect the stock might continue to see a run up and then probably ease off towards the end of January/early February, before seeing another spike in the lead up to the commercial product release date. So this does look like a multi-month swing trade. Keyword here is multi-month. For the reasons stated above, depending on the market open, I would like to put half a position into this stock to take advantage of any upward momentum, but be prepared for significant pullbacks. I would look to probably add to this swing trade as the March catalyst draws closer. Then here I alerted all the elite members that I had started a position in ZOM at 47 cents a share. I only have 25% of my intended budget invested, anticipating a pullback to 37 cents, which I will add another 25%. This is a multi-month hold. Please see my above thesis. So if you look at the share price, you can see that we did in fact experience that pullback to 37 cents. And we added another 25% to our position. But then you can see the massive upward push after that, resulting in an over 200% gain, which was incredible to see. Now let's direct our attention to the upcoming catalyst that I made the Discord aware of. And this is Zomedica's diagnostic pipeline. So they plan to phase out 3 products. The Trueformer, which is their point-of-care biosensor platform, as I explained earlier. Commercialization of this product is due in March, okay? And the PR from this, I believe, will send the share price much higher, in my opinion. However, they also have the ZM020, and that's their point-of-care pathogen detection platform. And as you can see, this is still awaiting verification. But you already know, as soon as they get a sniff of the verification, I mean, straight PR, no wasting time, and I suspect the share price will have a positive reaction to this news. Now, the final product is the ZM017, and that's their canine cancer liquid biopsy platform, and that is currently also still awaiting validation. So as you can see, Zomedica do still have a number of catalysts still in play. Or as I like to say, they still have a lot of meat on the bone, bruv. And each of these catalysts, I think, has share price moving potential. So that's exactly why myself and my elite Discord members are still holding on to some of the shares of this company. And if you are not invested or already invested in this company, it's worth doing your own due diligence and your own homework to see if this is a potential opportunity for you. I think the new CEO is also very reputable, and I'm sure he will have a positive impact on this company going forward. Now, will all of their products that are in the pipeline succeed? Probably not, but the PR alone from each of these products in the diagnostic pipeline will have a positive impact on the share price. So it's worth definitely holding on to, in my opinion. But with all that said, please make sure that you do your own due diligence before you decide to invest in any stock or in any company. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational and not investing advice. And if you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below. So with all that said, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.